Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Malkari Santhosh. Welcome to part 11 series of Serenity BDD with JBehave. In last video, we have executed GitHub story and we have seen the Serenity BDD report. In this today's video, we're going to discuss how to execute multiple stories. So I have already created a story under stories folder, which is a GitHub story. So let me open the story. In this story, I have created a narrative and I also created a scenario search in YouTube. So it's a sample scenario. It will open the YouTube and search an item. So parallelly, I have created a step dep and also a page object for YouTube under pages. So under this we have pages. So I have given the default URL and I have given two steps. One is open the app, and in searching YouTube, I'm just searching. I'm not retrieving any web elements. It's just for the execution purpose. I have created one step, and also in under step def, I have used a GitHub step def for executing our steps. So I have created two more check-in steps, which is given and then. So given step is opening the YouTube, and when step is searching for YouTube. So these I have created a YouTube page steps class so that we can interact with the web elements. Now, in order to execute these programs, so as I told, we need to extend Serenity stories. So accordingly, whatever the stories which are under this folder, it will execute. So we have two stories now. So it will execute both stories at a time. So before that, I will tell you how to launch the browser in different way. So let me open one of the page. So let me open GitHub page. So instead of using default URL, you can also use get. So instead of using open method, we can also use get driver instance. So get driver instance is nothing but WebDriver. When we create a Chrome driver instance, right, we will get by default one driver instance. So Serenity is providing that get driver instance. So get driver dot. So we have all the WebDriver methods available now. So we can use these methods. So we haven't created any WebDriver instance. Just Serenity BDD has created ones. We are using them. So we use the get method. So let's use this method. Uh, so I have added this method. So this will launch the browser. Okay. And for the same, we will do for the YouTube story. So let me open that YouTube story. And we will comment this and we use get driver instance dot get, and we will use this URL. So both will do the same actions. I am just showing you we can do it in different way. So now if I go to Maven command, so Maven command will not change because we are running all the stories. So no need to change the Maven command. Use clean verify and sanity aggregate. Now let's start our run. So it should execute first GitHub page, then YouTube page. Let's run our program. So it started the execution. So it is deleting the target folder which was created earlier because we have written the clean command. Now it is compiling the code. Now using Maven Surefire plugin, it is starting the execution. So it started the execution. So it should launch the Chrome browser and it should go to GitHub page. Because we have two test scenarios in GitHub story, so it will execute first them, then it will go to YouTube story. So we have second parameterization test, so it will execute the second test as well. Now it will open the third story, second story, which is YouTube. So it will launch the YouTube. So launching, so we have written only for the launch and close the browser. So all two stories have been executed successfully with the three scenarios. Okay, now it will aggregate the report and just create the new report for us. So let's go to execution screen, which is we have executed three scenarios and three are passed. And this is the report. Let me open this report. So if I open this report, here we have three test cases passed. And if I go to stories, we will be having two stories. One is GitHub story and one is YouTube story. Okay, so this is how we can track our user stories in JBehave stories under this report. So if I click on these test results, I will be having two scenarios. One is search in GitHub and search in YouTube. So in search in GitHub, we will be having two examples. I'll be giving two parameters. In search in YouTube, we will be having one scenario. Okay, this is just opening the YouTube and it's just doing some search. Okay, so this is how we execute multiple stories in JBehave using Serenity BDD. In the next video, I will show you how to run the individual story based upon the meta tag. So how can we filter tags individually and we can run them based on the individuality. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.